Hello and welcome back to my MegaWang 2000 Turbo Edition video update. Today is one of my favourite days because it's PCBWay delivery day. So here is the new combination or merge layer board. What this does is that it takes two pairs of inputs from the different pixel layers from different video generation layers like characters or sprites, and then it outputs two merged layers which then can get sent to either another merge or combination board, or it can get sent to the video board. So the board is split up into roughly three different areas where we have the logic operations for one or the other pair of merged pixel inputs, and then we have the register logic as well included on this board. What this board does is that it gives me better control over Boolean operations with these layer pairs. I can use one layer as a mask and the other layer as graphics, or I can XOR them, or I can have a proper transparency check. I can also include different styles of dithering, so I can have either odd or even dithering for each of the two merge layer inputs, and these can be composited together and prioritized with the video generation board. So this will give me the extra capability of having up to 6 layers instead of the standard 4. So here you can see that the stack of boards as it's been plugged in is using 48.5 watts roughly. There is a good video output on the TV, so this is the pseudo random data state that's in memory. When it's switched on, there is no initialization. Here you can see the merge layer within the board stack. So I've just connected the two sprites boards at the moment, so I've connected this scaled sprites and then the normal sprites board connected together. So we're getting a picture which is great. In the emulation, what we should see when we boot this up on the C64 is that we should see this like an initial boot screen, which is like a test card screen. It shows the scale sprites, which are the vertical bars, and then it has this large size normal sprite, and then it has some other 16 by 16 pixel sprites. When we press fire, we then see that the dithering is enabled, and then pressing fire again, we should get a 3D filled vector image over the top, spinning around quite merrily. Now let's try and send that code to the Commodore 64. There we go, black screen, and perfect, fantastic. This means that the combination board is pretty much working as expected. The test that I'm running here tests the most critical path of the combination board, so most of the circuitry is being exercised here, even if some of the execution pathways like the dithering is not. Now if I press fire, here we go. The dithering has now switched on for the merged scaled sprites and the normal sprites layer. Pressing it again, and I see the nice filled vector 3D graphic. This is the spaceship from Elite, and this is being calculated on the real Commodore 64 and then sent to the hardware. So this is a very short video update for this. It's very nice to have functionality which will expand the graphics capability of this board stack. If you like these kind of videos where I'm going through my retro Commodore 64 games stuff or my electronics projects, then please do consider liking or subscribing to this channel so I know that you like what I do, or add a comment in the video comments below telling me what you would like to see. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day wherever you are.